I'm going to be explaining the layers of the Earth. The crust. There are two kinds of crust, oceanic and continental. The hard outer shell is Earth's crust. The crust is a thin layer of rock made of silicate materials that float on the mantle. The continental crust is made of solid granite rocks that approximate temperature is -84.4 to 70.7 degrees Celsius. Continental crust is the crust beneath the continents. It is up to 80 kilometers thick. The temperature for oceanic crust is -18 to 380 degrees Celsius. The oceanic crust is the crust beneath the oceans. It is much thinner than the continental crust, just 7 kilometers thick on average. Ocean crust is mostly basalt. The lithosphere is the upper rigid layer of the Earth. It is made up of peridotite, a solid. It makes up the crust in the top of the mantle. 20 or so slabs are the lithosphere, called tectonic plates. Our continents sit on top of these plates. The lithosphere is a few kilometers thick under the middle of the oceans. The mantle's temperature just below the surface is 1,300 degrees Celsius. The lithosphere is thickest under the continents, 120 kilometers or so. The mantle. The mantle reaches from about 10 to 90 kilometers to 2,890 kilometers down. Temperatures climb steadily until they reach 3,000 degrees Celsius as you move through the mantle. It is extremely hot and plastic. Mantle rock churns slowly around. This movement is known as mantle convection currents. The asthenosphere is the lower part of the mantle. The asthenosphere temperature is 300 to 500 degrees Celsius. It is made up of peridotite and eclogite rock. It is a soft solid that is constantly moving. The very slow motion is the cause of plate tectonics, a process associated with continental drift, earthquakes, volcanoes, and the formation of mountains. The flowing asthenosphere carries the lithosphere of the Earth, including the continents, on its back. The core. The outer core is the third layer of the Earth. The outer core is the only liquid layer of the Earth, and it surrounds the inner core. It is made up of iron and nickel and reaches temperatures of 4,000 to 5,000 degrees Celsius. It creates a magnetic field which puts a protective barrier around the Earth. The outer core is in a range of 200 to 300 kilometers thick. The Earth's inner core is made up of iron and nickel, just like the outer core, but the inner core is so deep in the Earth and under so much pressure that even though it is extremely hot, it's a solid. The inner core is the hottest part of the Earth with over 5,000 degrees Celsius. It is about as hot as the surface of the sun. Now, this is a picture of the Earth's crust. These three pictures are pictures of the different layers of the Earth. This picture is continental and oceanic. This picture is the percentage of what it takes up off of the Earth. Thank you for watching.